Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Elena from the Avalor movie. I don't know, I haven't watched it, but I mean her character is cute and definitely underrated. So you guys can do this when you have the theme like Disney princesses. I feel like not a lot of people would do this, but I still think it looks cute. Again, I'm removing everything except for the ones I did adjustments on. Gosh, this is stressful. I use a lot of hair, like as you can see, but use this hair in brown, no adjustments, and then this hair bangs only, no adjustments. Select this hair, color it all brown for the X 0.63, Y 0.58, and Z 0.76. Rotate the X at 0.6 and scale it to 0.36. Then select this hair, position it to X 0.56, Y 0.43, Z 0.65, and scale it to 0.36. Then use this in bangs only, no adjustments made, and this hair in brown, scale it down to 0.29. Grab this hair from the cultural day thing, color it this orange, and adjust it X 0.42, Y 0.55, Z 0.32. Rotate the Z at 0.3 and scale it to 0.20. Then for the belt, I use the cowboy belt one in position Y 0.65, Z 0.46, rotate the X to 0.69 and scale it to 0.37. Now for the outfit, let me just add on some accessories. I use the golden hoops for this. And then I also use this bracelet in, did I use it in green? I don't remember. Oh yeah, I colored it this green. And then for the outfit itself, I'm going to get this outfit. You do need a Robux item for this. Select skirt 2. Color the first one red and then the second one this pink. Then I'm just going to get the Valentine's Day corset. Toggle it no bows. Color this in matte. And then matte again in that color. In that red color, and then this pink, and then lastly just red. 923 F32. My friend's just being here. And then grab this in not see-through, color the first and third toggle red, and then the second one this color DCC8A1. Then I'm just going to get the like stick, I don't know what it's called, from VIP in a lighter shade of gold, in metallic, and in blue, but just like a lighter blue. Can I make this neon or not? I mean, I can. I feel like that's better so you can see clearer. I don't know. It's up to you what you want to do. I'm just gonna make it matte actually. And that is it. Super simple. Well, kind of, minus the hair adjustments. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!